Hey YouTube, my name is Jessie G. Welcome to my channel, Unapologetic Dragonfly. And this is my very first YouTube video, so excuse me if I'm a little nervous. I have been trying to start this travel vlog for the longest time. I was trying to start it back in 2017 when I first started my solo traveling, and it just didn't go so well. So now after 6 years and just finally saying let's do it, I'm doing it. So I just wanted to quickly jump on here and just say how much I love travel. And it's a bug I have and I love it. My very first solo travel was to Norway, Oslo to be precise. And it was such an amazing experience. And from then on, I have had an adrenaline rush. I am a plane junkie now. Like, one of my girls called me up, hey, let's go. I'm like, okay, baby, let's get it. You know, if you want to travel, don't wait on nobody. Get your passport and go. I got my passport when I was 18 for my first class trip to Mexico. And it didn't go so well. We almost got stopped because everybody didn't have their birth certificates or their passports, stuff like that. They said we didn't need our passports back in 2004, but my mother still got me one, and I am so glad she did. For the first 10 years after that, I did not go anywhere. But then we're going back to Mexico for a family vacation. And I was like, okay, I need to get it renewed because I have not been out the country. So I got my passport renewed, and I didn't use it again until 2017. And now I've almost burned a hole in it. My first trip was Oslo. Then I went to France and Mexico again. And I've been to Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, very beautiful place. Also been to Brazil. So amazing, so amazing. I left last December in 2021. Well, my best friend, I came from Fargo, North Dakota. It was a blizzard, y'all. A blizzard. Got down there, taking off all my clothes. It was so hot. I am about to go on 3 vacations back to back. I'm going back to France, but this time I'm not going to Paris. I'm going to Nice, which is the south of France. And then I'll be hopping over to Copenhagen, Denmark, which is another Scandi country. I love Scandi countries. And then we're going to Santorini, Greece. And I am so excited to see the blue roofs that's over in Santorini. I am just ready. And it's just going to be amazing. But I do want to tell y'all how I started my solo travel. I was talking to my great-grandmother, who I love dearly. God rest her soul, she passed in 2018. I'm one of the most quirkier grandchildren. And I told him, like, Grammy, I'm about to jump on a plane. She said, what do you mean? I said, I'm going to Europe. She said, okay. I said, I'm going by myself. She was like, okay, why? I'm like, because I need to go. She was like, how you gonna make that happen? I said, Grandma, I don't know. Now, y'all, this is when I was living in California, in Oakland. And I love Oakland, shout out Oaktown. But it was too expensive, so I couldn't, I was working a dead-end job, living with my best friend and her 2 cats, love the baby. And it just wasn't working out. And that was my first year out there. But I told her, like, Grandma, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm going to do it. And she was like, well, if that's what you want to do, then do it. Fast forward almost a year later, I was manifesting and I was studying Norwegian. I'm like, I'm gonna make it. All the while making $12 an hour, trying to pay almost $900 in rent. Just is not working. I was sharing a couch with 2 cats, which I'm still grateful for. But I decided to come back to Fargo, and I got a great job working as a lab technician. And that's how I was able to start my travel. And I picked Norway because Fargo, North Dakota is very Scandi, very Norwegian, German, just Danish, all of that, So finally I bought my ticket. And I was like, okay, Grandma, I am doing it. So for my birthday, I made a promise to myself that every year until I turn 40, I am going to travel, baby. I'm going to do it. I'm going to wrap this video up. Thank you for staying. Thank you for listening. And like I said, if you like traveling, don't wait on nobody. Grab your ticket and go. Also, just became a new travel agent. So I'll also be giving out, maybe say a giveaway or two. I don't know. But just let me know. And I'll be giving you more details on my travel agency as it progresses. It is going to be coming up within the next couple of weeks, actually. So, like, share, subscribe. The first stop is going to be Nice, and I'm going to be doing a little tour of Monte Carlo, you know, the billionaire's playground, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to be doing some more manifesting. So, until then, au revoir.